Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another celestial tour. Sounds of Space Part 3 is here. Now space is obviously soundproof, and you may be asking, if space is soundproof, then how does NASA record these sounds? That's actually a good question. Wait a minute, I'm not done yet. Like I said, space is soundproof, but NASA somehow manages to record these sounds of space. Wow, how does that even happen? This is another sham of NASA. NASA is lying as always, just like how they lie about the Earth's shape and the moon landings to stall people. Oh my god, will you at least let me finish my line? Then you can talk trash about NASA however you want. Anyways, space is soundproof, yes. There aren't any molecules unlike on Earth for sound waves to pass through. But the thing NASA is doing is that they're taking electromagnetic waves and they're translating them into sound waves, helping people hear the interesting sounds of space. So, still not convinced? Alright, you low-key explained everything like I'm 5, but I still think that NASA faked the moon landings and they're lying about the Earth being a globe. Still can't convince me with that. Anyways, fun skit, let's move on. The following sounds will include the sound of the black hole in the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster, which was actually taken this year in August. The sound of the exoplanet Kepler-22b, the sound of Mars's moon Phobos, the sound of Jupiter's moon Ursa, the sound of the Vela pulsar, and the sonification of the Carina Nebula based on James Webb's data. So, let's check out the sounds. Alright, so the sounds may have sounded a bit scary, except for the sonification of the Carina Nebula, which probably was refreshing after the eerie sounds. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and listening to the sounds of space, and stay astronomical.